Hi everybody, it's Janelle from East Coast Mommy, and I have an exciting announcement today. I'm launching a new YouTube series called Creating a Magical Christmas on a Budget. If you love to save money and make magical memories with your family and friends, you are in the right place. Today I have a sneak peek at my first project, so let's get started. I love Christmas movie decor, so when I saw these adorable Charlie Brown trees online, I knew I wanted one, but the prices online seemed high to me. I knew I could DIY one for much less, so I headed to Dollarama to pick up a few inexpensive supplies. You could use scrap wood for the base, but I chose to use dollar store tumbling tower blocks. I arranged them into an X shape and used hot glue to put them together. You could use wood glue for a stronger hold, but I used hot glue because I wanted to put them together quick. In total, I used 16 blocks, which means I have a bunch left over for another craft. Next, I grabbed a dollar store pick that had the look I wanted. I cut off the red berries and pine cones and bent the branches. Then it was time to add an ornament to the end of the branch. I found this package of 3 at my local dollar store and it was perfect. I tried hanging the ornament by a string, but I didn't love it, so I attached it with hot glue and I liked it a lot better. Next, I needed to attach the tree to the base. To add stability, you could use extra tumbling tower blocks, but I had this spool in my craft stash and I thought it would work well. I attached it with some hot glue, inserted the branch, and added some more hot glue. I love how stable this is. It feels really solid. To finish it off, I needed a little blue blanket. I found this fleece blanket at my local Dollarama and I cut a piece 16 inches by 16 inches. I think it's the perfect color and texture. Then to finish my Charlie Brown tree, I just positioned the blanket around the base of the tree. And that was it. I think this is adorable and an excellent dupe. Let me know. What do you think? And here's the price breakdown. Can you believe I made this adorable tree for just over $5? If you like this project, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. I have a lot of really fun money-saving tips to share this holiday season, and I don't want you to miss out. See you next time. Bye.